We are so sorry to interrupt your program. We would like to inform you of an anomaly in your house. Listen to the alert, listen carefully, do not look away, look at the screen, do not change the channel, do not turn your device off. If you are listening to this alert out of bed, do not sleep in bed tonight. There's an anomaly under your bed. Instead, sleep on the floor, on your couch, or in your car. If you are already listening to this alert in your bed, you are in danger. Put your feet inside the blankets. Do not leave a foot sticking out or this anomaly will attack it. Do not exit your bed for any reason. You may exit your bed until dawn, and after exiting your bed, do not go back in your bed. Instead, take it outside and burn it. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Now back to your programs.